Hello and welcome to Modern Skills in English. Today, we're talking about something almost everyone feels, but very few people know how to fix: the sound of your own voice when you're nervous.
I have a presentation for my class next Friday, and I am already freaking out. I know the material. I've studied for weeks, but when I stand up there, my voice just gives me away.
Gives you away how?
It gets high or shaky. I start talking so fast I can barely breathe, and all I can think is everyone can hear how scared I am. It's like my voice is screaming to the whole room, "This guy is an imposter. He has no idea what he's doing." It's humiliating.
That feeling is incredibly common, the feeling that your voice is betraying your internal state. So the big question becomes, how do you sound confident when you feel anything but?
Right. How do you do that?
What if I told you that sounding confident has almost nothing to do with actually feeling confident?
I don't understand. That sounds impossible. My voice shakes because my hands are shaking. My heart is racing. It's all connected.
That's what most students believe. They think the problem is the anxiety itself, so they try to fix the feeling. They tell themselves, be confident, don't be nervous.
Which has never, ever worked for me. It just makes me more aware of how nervous I am.
Exactly. The real problem isn't your anxiety. The problem is that no one ever taught you the physical mechanics of a confident voice. We're taught what to say, but almost never how to say it.
Mechanics? You mean like it's a machine?
In a way, it's a set of physical actions, and you can control those actions, even when your emotions feel out of control. We focus on the internal feeling of confidence, but listeners can't hear your feelings. They can only hear the sounds you produce.
Okay, so if I can control the sounds, I can control what they perceive, even if I'm a mess inside. Where do I start?
We start with the first and most powerful signal of confidence: pace, how fast you speak.
I already know I fail at this. When I get nervous, I speed up. I just want to get it over with, so I rush through everything.
Why do you think that is? Why do we rush?
It's a panic response. I'm in a stressful situation, and my brain is telling me to escape as fast as possible, so I talk fast to finish faster.
That's a perfectly logical reason, but it quietly fails you. To the listener, a fast pace doesn't sound efficient. It sounds panicked. It makes your ideas seem less important, as if they aren't worth the time it takes to say them slowly.
Wow, I never thought of it like that. I'm trying to sound smart and prepared, but my speed is telling them I'm scared and my ideas aren't valuable.
Correct. So here is the new way to think about it. Your pace is not a reflection of your nerves. It is a tool to control the room's attention. A slow, deliberate pace signals that you are in control. It signals that what you are saying is important and deserves to be heard.
Deliberate, I like that word. It sounds so much more professional than just slow. So you're saying I should just talk slower?
Not just slower, with intention. Think of a news anchor reading a serious story. They aren't slow because they are thinking of the words. Their pace is measured. It's a choice. It makes the information feel stable and important. Now think of someone reporting a car accident on their phone. They're speaking quickly with panic. Who do you trust more?
The news anchor, of course.
Their deliberate pace creates that trust. Before your presentation, practice reading your first 3 sentences at half your normal speed. It will feel painfully slow to you, but to your audience, it will sound calm and authoritative.
Okay, I can try that. Practice speaking at a pace that feels uncomfortable. But what about the sound itself? My voice goes up. It gets thin.
That brings us to the second mechanic, intonation, specifically what your voice does at the very end of a statement.
I think I know what you're going to say. My voice goes up, like I'm asking a question?
A lot of people do this, especially when they feel unsure. It's called upspeak. You're making a statement, but your melody asks a question. You're saying, the data shows a 20